Hello everyone, let's just check your homework and let's just start the reading training with me. Now Black just has to save this group with making two eyes. As I told you, you shouldn't make the call. Now we can just try to read this Atari first. But if you exchange, then white is gonna capture. After this, if you just block here, you have to find out white best answer. White can't play Atari here because this exchange between 6 and 7 is gonna be Sente. So even though you just try to play here, it doesn't work. Black can just block here. So now your maximum, the movement can be here. Now white has black has two eyes already. So now white best answer should be here. This is a good move. It can make black to connect. Then if you just step back, black can't make two eyes. So after you exchange Atari, your best answer is gonna be making Tiger's mouth. Then when white Atari, then your best move is the making call. Now white can't play here. Still black can get one eye. So we have to fight for this call. But as I told you, making call is not the best answer. So now for this question, your main point is not exchanging the bad exchange. Just like it's not having the bad exchange. You shouldn't touch anything. This is gonna be anyway Sente. So whether you exchange or not, then it doesn't matter. It's same actually. So now just you shouldn't touch and just play here. Just like if white has played here, then you can just make one more eye here. It's gonna be Sente and play here. And if you want, then you can even play here. So it's no problem to have two eyes. And if you think about white to invade here, we didn't exchange here. So now you can get one eye here. So it's totally different than just now. So this question's main point is not having bad exchange first. That's the most important point for this question. Okay, today's first question is a capturing race. I didn't make really hard, so you can enjoy to study. Now black two stones are in danger, and black has to fight with this white group. So what do you think about it? Yeah, let's just start. There are many feelings, just like starting from here, two stones, here, 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 and such kind of a thing. I think about 5 feelings. Something may not be your feeling, but that's okay. Just we can read everything that we need, and we can start from A. What about you play A? Somehow white, the first feeling is blocking here, and however we have to surround these 5 stones. If you are thinking about invade here, but white can just surround from outside. So black must play around here in order to make it less liberty, and then white is gonna capture. But even though you just throw in one more time, still I think black's liberty is not enough. Yeah, white can just capture. Even though black just keep trying to play from here, white is not gonna connect. Just capturing is okay. And when black surround, still white is faster for one liberty. Yeah. So if you check this variation, we don't have to read this move 1 anymore. Yeah, second feeling can be B. Yeah, this is the good feeling as well. And my first feeling is here. And then if black just connect, then white can connect. And when you surround, white should be faster for one liberty. Yeah, so now you have to return. And black has to cut, white can capture, black connect. After this, white can't connect anymore, black can just capture. So white can try to capture here. Something like this. It's gonna be call. Yeah, call is the best solution for white. Okay, if you read it this way, then now with number 2, white even have to try somewhere else. Sorry. Just connect, because just now this result was called by cutting. So now your best answer can be connect. I'm not sure if it doesn't work, then this can be best answer. At least white can make call. Okay, after you connect, black has to stretch, and then white can start to surround from outside. And however black need to surround, white Atari, but white can play 6. White shouldn't play from outside. Black can just capture the white. But if white just block here, then black's best answer is here, then white can capture. So it doesn't work. Even though white answered wrongly, then it's gonna be cool. If white just found out the best answer, white can just capture the black. So now even B doesn't work. And C, I guess your reading progress will be more easier because just now when black plays here, you found number one connecting here. So even the black plays here, the white vital point should be same, which means this is not really necessary to read. Just your brain will work naturally even if you don't think about that. White can push is nothing, so white has to play connect. Then the shape is became same as just now. However, black plays this atari is gonna be sente, then white can block here. Even though black plays little bit differently, that actually is not nothing different. White is faster. Then now you can realize that where is the vital point, where vital point is. Yeah, obviously is E, but also we can just check it out. Yeah, here. Actually, it's like even white just stretch. Yeah, you know, it's not working. White is already faster, so there is no reason to think anymore. But of course, if you want to read the best move for white, you can even read about this way. So I think even it will work. However, white is faster. Yeah. So eventually, where we have to think about it is cut. Cut is the best answer. This is the vital point in this capturing race. White has to capture, then black can make all the sente, and then we have to find move number 7. Like this, yeah. So after this, what you can think about more is here. Then even now you have to support these 2 stones, and however make him to capture, and you have to see the Kosumi. Yeah, variation is all similar. And what about white just hane? Then now if you do that, white might try to make the one-step call. So this time black just has to atari first and then atari. Yeah, then now you've solved these questions perfectly. Okay, second question is also capturing race. Now black 5 stones are in danger. Obviously you have to throw this away. You just need to capture white these 3 stones of the white, and there are a few methods. About 3 ways are good enough. Yeah, we can follow up from A. When you play A, white can't surround from outside, so white is supposed to play here, and then when you play 3, then white can capture. You know, we can't get in here, so now we just need to connect, then white is faster. How about B? The white is gonna capture. When you surround, white can atari. Even white can just connect here. If you are thinking to get more territory for white, you can break 1 more point here. Still it work. But it's my mistake. If in case if white plays here, black might try to make one-step call, so it's not really necessary. So last feeling is C. Yeah, just after you think about to play C, then you just need to find out perfectly. You know, white can't put from outside, black is faster for 1 liberty. So white can only play here. After this, your movement is important, and if you just surround from outside, white is faster. You can't get in anymore from inside. So with number 3, you just need to, number 5, you have to press from inside because when he capture, you can snap back 1 more time and make him to capture, and you can atari. So now first you have to find out Tetsuji first. After that, you have to keep throw the stones into the white eye shape. And now you can capture this white group. Sorry. Okay, this time life and death question. It looks very easy too, but there is trap, so you have to be careful. Also, there are a few feelings, just like here, 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 here. Yeah, we can follow up. Simply, we get to think about A first. Because if white is just blocked, black can hane. White can't get in here, black will capture white. So white best, even here is not working. If white does that, then black can capture. So when white capture, then black can connect. So it doesn't work for white. So white best answer can be, what about here? This one you can just throw in and then keep throwing. So now it works. But main point is white can just capture this one stone. And then now you have no method to break this eye shape. Yeah, it's nothing. So A way doesn't work because white has a capturing one stone. Then what about B? Okay, B, then white will capture, and then there are also few methods. If you think about to stretch, this push is gonna be sente, and then I can Atari here. So black can't save these two stones. So black has only one method black to Atari. This capturing is not good idea. This is gonna be seki, is not captured. So black can just hane here, and it's gonna be ko. Even the white Atari, black can enjoy to fight. So white has to just capture and try to fight for this ko. So if you think about Atari with B, it's ko. Okay, then what about C? Yeah. At the first, if white just plays here, then you can play here. You know, white can't get it anywhere. It works. And second, if white just push, then you can just answer. Then even though white has no method to capture these two stones. So, you know, here it doesn't work, black can just capture. White can think about to capture one stone, but you can just connect and save your 4 stones. So this is correct. Yeah. Just this question should be a little bit confused between A, B, C. Yeah. What about D? Just white can stretch. After this, you can't save these 3 stones anymore. Yeah. Even though you do that, then white can just block. It's nothing. Yeah. So if you are not careless, then you will not make a mistake. But of course, it's even though you are not careless, you might make a mistake if your reading is not really clean right now. I'm always telling you, you don't have to be worried about that. Just if you repeat many times, then every people can do it. Yeah, just it takes time. Yeah, and your brain will accept those questions naturally. Yeah. Okay, after this, the last one is your homework. And you know, somehow you have no method to save these 3 stones. I know about it, so I can't say you can save this 3 stones. Yeah, so you don't have to save. You just need to have amazing sacrifice. If you have a right sacrifice, then you can capture this whole white group. Yeah. Okay, then today we can study until now. Thank you very much for having the training with me today. I'm always telling you nowadays if you solve the life and death questions and capturing race questions, because still maybe somebody may not understand it clearly, so I have to keep telling you. I'm giving you how you can study. It's not like even if you are next to me, I don't mean I can give you my brain, the skill just to you directly. Just I can give you how you can study. This is what I'm going to give you. But if you just solve the life and death or capturing rates with iPad or some application, then normally that program will answer for you after you put the first step, and you can just check quickly. It doesn't work. Okay, I understand. Then you retry again. But that progress is like, you know, in the actual game, your opponent will not tell you where they are gonna play. You have to think about it by yourself. That's why I'm sure most of strong player, they never solve the life and death with application. Yeah. And yeah, I'm always telling you, just watching the correct when you cannot solve the question. Of course, if you just think really, if you solve a question really hard, more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you can just skip that question and then you can do it again in the future. Or sometimes you can check the correct answer. But most of the time, if you do not try anything and just checking the solution, of course you will understand, but this is not the understandable area. It's just repeat area for this one. So make sure the studying with the application, life and death, it will be the having the poison for your improvement. I'm quite sure all the people, all the strong player, they study the like with their brain and the stone. But of course they if you can, you better to just use your brain, yeah, all the time. Okay, thank you very much everybody. That's it. That's next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.